Last question for both of you as we conclude. Crystal ball, and you can go in whatever order you want. One future prediction as you look into your crystal ball around digital health.
I'll start. So I think we hit a lot on ambient clinical intelligent read and generative AI. So I think the concept of ambient brain and really, 5 years from now, keyboards not being a thing in exam rooms. I don't know if that'll be the case, but imagine just coming with your phone and just setting it down, having the conversation. And then for us being associating it with Highmark Health, imagine a world where we know that the patient's a member and we can suggest a program at that time for the clinician on the phone. Hey, you should talk to them about this because we know that information about them from their medical record and their insurance information to suggest that. So I think that ambient brain, I'm going to call it, is going to be the big thing of the future in the outpatient setting and inpatient.
On the clinical side, I'll give you the both sides of the story. On the clinical side, there's a good paper in JAMA about the productivity paradox of healthcare IT. And I think about that paper a lot, and I think about what that is and with the EMR and everything else. And the point of all that is to say that I think crystal ball is that we are going to see a substantial productivity improvement in our workforce. The negative aspect of that I worry about is a lot of times when you see productivity improvement, you free up all that time. There's a consumer expectation that's being unmet today. And just like the in basket, is you turn something on and it's flooded now because they needed us. They just didn't have a mechanism to engage us. And I worry that to some degree, and maybe this is a good problem, I don't know. That time, instead of us saying, oh my gosh, everybody got 40% time back, 50% of their day back, right? Because of ambient and AI and this and this and this, will it just be filled with other stuff? Because I think we're not meeting consumer person, whole person expectations today. And I think that time will be just gobbled up with that. But that's not necessarily a bad thing because then maybe the happy quotient goes up all the way around with that. But I worry if there's a thought of, yeah, productivity and we're going to get more reviews and we're going to get more things that are done. I don't know if that's necessarily happening.